Today, I'm gonna teach you how to calculate sum in Excel. First of all, I will teach you how to calculate sum through sum function. Now just follow out my steps. First of all, I will press equal. Now I will write sum. Then I will press tab. Now I will select all the list for which I want to calculate the sum. As you can see, I'm selecting out this list. Now pressing enter, the sum will be calculated. I'm going to show you again how I have done it. First of all, I will press equal. Now write sum, then press tab. Then I will select all the list for which I want to calculate the sum. And then I will press enter. Now I'm moving towards the shortcut to calculate sum. So the shortcut to calculate sum without applying any sum function is, we will just select all the list for which I want to calculate the sum. And now I will press alt equal. So you can see that the sum is calculated without applying any sum function within just 1 second through shortcut. So the shortcut to calculate sum is alt equal. Thank you for watching.